up, YouTube? It's your girl Shante, and I'm back with another video. But I have a special guest. Say hi to the people. Say hi, dear. Say hi, dear. Okay, well, she's not for the shoots today. She's not for the shoots. Hi, dear.
You really can't see me right now.
Say hi, dear people. Today's video is going to be a short, small Best Buy haul that I just did last week. My it's kind of it's a haul slash what I got for Christmas. So yeah, my kids and my husband all put together so that I could get something that I really needed and wanted for this channel. So let's jump right into the video. To do. This is what she does. She likes to sheepy in my arms. Instead of her staying asleep in the bed, this is what she does, bro. And she's smiling. Do you see the smile? She's smiling because she knows. She knows. All right. So the first thing that I got was a Manfrotto tripod. Now, this tripod costs $179, I think. At first, or I was told that a few years back it was $159. So I'm kind of bummed out about that, but it's cool. $179 at Best Buy, and it says it's the 290 light aluminum tripod with bee-free live fluid head, made in Italy, up to 10 years warranty. This is the one with the stick that you can put on and, you know, tilt and pan smoothly. And so that is exactly what I really want for my videos, to be able to just tilt and pan smoothly, because with this one, this tripod that I'm using now is just very static. Like, you can't move it at all, and if you try to, it, like, you know, you see that? So that's not cool. So I would love a good, you know, nice panning, you know, movement. That was kind of cool, but it was also kind of, you know, shaky. And so I really want something very sturdy. And so I'm glad that I was able to get this. This is the Canon EOS M50. A lot of you guys might know this camera, a lot of you may not, but this camera is the bomb for starting out photographers or videographers. But it's perfect, I believe, for YouTubers. And you could, please excuse the noise in the background, that's just my son on his iPad. The only thing that people really have an issue with this camera is that when you record in 4K, you can only record in 24 frames per second, which my iPhone that I'm recording on now, which I have, is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It actually records in up to 60 frames per second. So it can record the lowest, but it can also record up to 60 frames per second, which is what I like most about my iPhone. But the whole fact of the matter is, I really needed a camera because my iPhone does not have a viewfinder, and I am sick and tired of trying to figure out what's in the shot and what isn't. So the camera will definitely come in handy. As far as that, the camera itself, I price matched it to Target, and I think it was like $549. So yeah, because it was actually $649 at Best Buy, but I price matched it to Target for the $549, and they gladly did that online. So I was able to chat with Best Buy, and they fixed the price to $549. So that's not bad for this camera. It's a very affordable camera for anybody starting out. You don't have to get the whole $1,200 package, $1,300 package. As you can see, it has the kit lens. So I'm just only going to be working with the kit lens for now until I discover that I really want to invest into another lens. I mean, pretty much, if I want to record in 4K at 60 frames per second, I still have my iPhone that I can do so, and I can just edit the videos together. This camera, I'll probably more so be working in 1080p with 60 frames per second, And when I edit the videos, I could just edit it up to 4K. So that's how I'm just gonna work with this for now. So I'm unboxing this camera, the Canon M50, and I have a lanyard to, you know, hold it around my neck. And this is the actual camera itself. I am working with one hand because I have baby in the other. So yeah, this camera is like super duper small. It's very convenient for portability, and that's cool, but I won't be using it outside of my house because anything outside of my house that I need to film, I'm just going to use my iPhone. So yeah, it didn't come out perfectly, but it's perfect. You see that? It has the little controls there, and I love the matte black finish. It has this little button here. This is the turn so that I can put the lens on there. It has the HDMI port, the USB port, and then this is the back. So this is the viewfinder. I just put the baby in the swing, so I have like 5 seconds. But so I love how Canon like lets you turn the viewfinder so that you can see it when you're sitting in front of the camera, like so. You know what I mean? And I don't have to guess as to what I look like or if I'm in frame. And also when I'm done, I could put it and hug it back to the device, and so it won't get scratched or messed up. This is where the camera lens goes. And so I'm just gonna get the camera lens out. So this is the camera lens right here, and it's relatively a small guy. It is the 15 by 45 milliliter lens, 15 by 45 millimeter lens. Okay, and it says it has an image stabilizer, which the proof of that has yet to be determined, but you just pop that off. And pop that off, and then you line up the white dots. Line up the white dot, bro. Okay, and then it clicks. You turn it until it clicks, and then you take this off, the lens cover to protect the lens. You take that off, and then boom, you are ready to go. I have not installed the battery, which goes here. I should probably do that. Some shots of video footage with this camera so that you can be able to see the video footage, and also some still shots so that you can know what the quality of this camera is like. It's really not bad. It's comparable to a lot of the others that are out there. Okay, this is the battery, very small, and then this is the charger for the battery. Cool. So I'm just gonna put that back in there. And so it's really comparable to a lot of the other ones out there, the Canon G7X, and then close it. So the thing that I most like about this camera is the fact that when you record on it in video, it automatically adjusts to your face and blurs out the background. Autofocus. The autofocus really just focuses on the subject at hand and not drear off to, you know, anything else around you. So I really, really love that it just focuses on what it needs to focus on. I will put clips of that in here, and I will also show you how the Manfrotto holds up with the Canon M50.